Hello everyone, I am Sohrab from Staff, and today I want to show you an alternating rows style in DataGridView. It means rows back color in DataGridView. And also I will fill the DataGridView with two methods. I have a Winform application with a DataGridView, and in behind code I use two methods to fill the data grid to fill the data table and assign the data table to data source of data grid view. This is data table, and after that I have a click event of a button to apply a style. First line is to change the back color of the headers. I change it to blue, and also I should use the second line to visible style. And in this line I changed the default cell style back color to light steel blue, and after that I can use the alternating roof default cell style. I want to start the project and check the result. I put these line codes after initialize component to fill the data grid view, and now the project is started, and you can have we have a data grid view with 10 rows. I will change the style by this button. You can view all the styles, all the colors here. I will put the link of these codes in the description of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.